Good morning, this is Bankim Juardar from Institute of Hotel Management, IIM Gwalior. I am speaking from the Department of Quantity Food Production area. I am the kitchen in charge out here. Now today, we will have a demo session on Punjabi cuisine. The Punjabi cuisine is consisting of a number of tandoori items in today's menu. We will have a detailed demo by depicting various ways, methods, recipe, ingredients regarding how the things are made. Now let us have a look. Today's menu is consisting of paneer tikka, pudina chutney, murg tandoori, butter chicken masala, butter paneer masala, and lachha paratha. Just have a look at the board. When the menu is written, how the menu is written on the board. On the top right hand side, there should be the date in DDMMYY form. So today we have mentioned 7 January 2021. Many people, they write 7/1/2021, but I will request you to have a little bit room for improvement. This is because if you write the date in this way, whether it is written in DDMMYY form or MMDDYY form, that will not be very much clear. So it's my request to mention the date in this particular manner. Then we have got the number of packs, that is the number of persons, that is the number of diners who will be served with the food will be indicated out here. Then on the extreme left hand side, we have got the origin, that is North India, and we have specified within the bracket, that is the state of Punjab. The menu starts from here. It's necessary to enclose the food items inside a box by showing a lining. This is because this will separate out the ingredients from other textual information over the board. Now, here, if you just go through it, you will see the items have been separated out by using a number of stars. Now, what does the star indicate? The star indicates that this is a course and this is another course. Now, how will you identify which one is the main course? The main course is the down one, which is heavier in number and which has got the lachha paratha, that is an item of whole wheat flour or refined flour, and that serves as a staple diet. Now, when you are writing the menu, you have to mention those terms which are new to your learners. We are seeing here that I have mentioned one term, that is marination. This is a new term for the learner. What is the use of using this kind of terminology? The main purpose of using such kind of terminology is, if there is any such kind of term used, the learners will not be able to know what the things are all about. So it is always advisable to just have a mention and explain before the learner at the time of briefing session. Now let me tell you what is marination. Marination is a process by which the main food items are mixed with the other ingredients, and the purpose of marination is to subside any unwanted flavor of the main food item, to increase the taste of the food item, to increase the look of the food item up to a certain extent, and to increase the palatability of the food item. Marination has got another term, that is marinade. Marinade is the mixture which is made by using, in this case, hung curd, Indian spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder, mustard oil, salt, and black pepper powder. So marinade is the liquid. Marination is the process of making the liquid and mixing it with the other ingredients. Thank you.